Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best postpartum underwear is probably one of the most essential items a new mother can have, offering crucial support and comfort during a time of significant physical recovery and adjustment, making it a vital part of her postpartum care kit. When choosing this intimate apparel, it's important to prioritize features that cater to the unique needs of the postpartum body, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit that aids in healing and provides peace of mind as she navigates the early days of motherhood. Number 5. OLIKEME Cotton High-Waisted Panties. Discover a new level of comfort with our premium cotton underwear. Designed for everyday wear, they provide a soft and gentle feel against your skin. Enjoy complete confidence with a full coverage design that stays in place. These panties offer a secure and comfortable fit throughout your day. Our briefs are made with a soft stretch fabric that moves with you. Experience a perfect, non-restrictive fit that feels like a second skin. Specifically crafted for women, these underpants combine style and practicality. They are an essential addition to any woman's wardrobe. Get more for your money with our convenient multi-pack option. Stock up on essential, high-quality briefs that offer exceptional value. Made from breathable cotton, these panties ensure all-day freshness. You'll appreciate the natural, soft feel and superior comfort. What we like? Experience ultimate comfort with its soft cotton stretch fabric. The high waist and full coverage offer great support. If you're looking for everyday comfort and a secure fit, this is a fantastic choice for daily wear. What people say? It hugs your curves and very comfortably. Wash after wash, they stay stretchy and comfortable. It protects you from occasional accidents when you don't get fast to the bathroom. It absorbs and keeps you dry. Number 4. Frida Mom Postpartum Essentials Kit. Welcome to the Frida Mom Postpartum Essentials Kit. This all-in-one set is designed to support you during your recovery journey. We've included everything you need for comfort and healing. From disposable underwear to soothing pads and foam, we've got you covered. Pack this kit in your hospital bag for immediate relief upon arrival. It's the perfect companion for those first few days. Experience gentle care with our maxi pads and perineal healing foam. They provide soothing relief right where you need it most. This comprehensive kit also includes convenient pad liners and a peri bottle for easy cleansing. It's designed for your ultimate comfort. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This essentials kit is a must-have for any new mother. Give the gift of comfort and care. What we like? This comprehensive kit provides everything a new mom needs. It includes disposable underwear, cooling pads, and a peri bottle for recovery. If you want a convenient, all-in-one solution for your hospital bag and immediate postpartum needs, this set is perfect. What people say? The underwear are so much more comfortable than the ones the hospital gives you. The ice packs are a lifesaver. The peri bottle is super durable and the Angel makes it super easy for cleaning after birth. Number 3. Molasus Women's Cotton High-Waisted Panties. Discover the perfect blend of comfort and style with our high-waisted cotton panties. Designed for everyday wear, they offer a soft and breathable feel. Enjoy full coverage that stays in place throughout your day. These panties provide a secure and comfortable fit, no matter your activity. Crafted from premium cotton, these undies feel incredibly soft against your skin. It's the gentle touch you deserve for all-day comfort. Available in both regular and plus sizes, we ensure a perfect fit for every body. Embrace comfort and confidence with our inclusive sizing. Upgrade your essentials with these must-have panties. They combine a flattering high-waisted design with the everyday comfort of cotton. What we like? Enjoy the breathable cotton fabric that keeps you cool and comfortable. Its full coverage design ensures a secure feel throughout the day. If you prioritize comfort, breathability, and a reliable fit in plus sizes, these are an excellent option. What people say? These postpartum underwear are comfortable and stretchy, providing a good fit for plus-size individuals. The high-waisted design offers excellent support and coverage, which is great for postpartum recovery. The material is soft and breathable, making them ideal for extended wear throughout the day. Number 2. INNERSY Women's Cotton Panties 5-Pack. Experience all-day comfort with our soft, breathable cotton underwear. Designed for a perfect fit, you'll feel great all day long. Our high-waisted design provides gentle tummy control and a secure fit. It offers excellent support without feeling restrictive. Available in both regular and plus sizes, we ensure a comfortable and flattering fit for every body type. Find your perfect size with ease. This 5-pack offers great value, making it the perfect addition to your everyday essentials. Stock up on comfort and style. Crafted with quality materials, these panties are made to last. Enjoy durable comfort that stands up to daily wear. What we like. These offer a soft and stretchy cotton feel for maximum comfort. The high-waisted design provides gentle support. If you're seeking a practical and comfortable option with good value, this multi-pack is ideal for your postpartum recovery. What people say. These postpartum underwear are designed with a high waist and full coverage, which is great for post-surgery comfort and support. The fabric is soft, breathable, and stretchy, making them comfortable to wear all day long. They have a leak-proof design that can hold pads securely in place, which is essential for postpartum recovery. Number 1. ASIMOON Women's Cotton Underwear Multipack. Discover the perfect blend of comfort and support with our premium cotton underwear. Designed for everyday wear, they offer a soft and breathable feel. Enjoy a flexible fit that moves with you throughout the day. The breathable fabric ensures you stay fresh and comfortable, no matter the activity. These briefs provide full coverage for a secure and confident feel. You can rely on them for all-day comfort and peace of mind. Specially designed for postpartum recovery, these panties offer gentle support and comfort when you need it most. They are a thoughtful choice for new mothers. Get exceptional value with this multipack of ladies' briefs. Stock up on essential comfort and quality that lasts. Crafted from soft, high-quality cotton, these undies feel incredibly gentle against your skin. Experience a luxurious touch with every wear. What we like. Designed with postpartum needs in mind, these are breathable and stretchy. They offer full coverage for comfort and security. If you need underwear that is specifically made to support you during your postpartum journey, these are a great pick. What people say. The sizing is pretty good. Take close look at the large graphic mid-page, slightly different than the image in their photo section. The former appears more accurate. If you are closer to the smaller end of a size range, then I think you can safely downsize. I bought these in 4XL, which is slated to fit up to 52.5 hips, and I quickly measured the largest area of my hips, which is 53. There is plenty of room to spare, but aren't baggy either. I am glad I did not go with the 5XL, 52-56, as that definitely would have been much too large. As is, the 4XL is almost too big. But they do fit rather well, so with my 53 hips, I think the 4XL is reasonable. Even so, I may try 3XL. 47-50.5. Much of my hip girth comes from a belly apron, lots of excess skin. I tend to wear underwear and pants with compression not so much for improving look, but for improving feel. The loose skin needs to be tied down so it isn't uncomfortably moving. I usually buy briefs, size 18-20, $7 each, from Lane Bryant that have 93% cotton, 7% spandex. These undies have 95% cotton, 5% spandex. I can tell the difference in fit. Just plain cotton can be stretchy, but doesn't hold shape, will often loosen up, i.e. baggy granny panties lol. So the added spandex in these gives them shape, and allows it to stay in shape, not loosen up. These do not roll down. I put them on and forget they are there. The 5% spandex in these is just enough to provide a good comfortable fit without the undies looking baggy. But it isn't quite enough spandex to provide any compression. Oh, so close, though. So if you are looking for super comfortable, well-fitting full coverage underwear that doesn't constrict the waist, stays up in place, doesn't creep into butt cheeks, then I think you will be very pleased with these. They are amazing as period underwear because they accommodate any bloat, and hold pads in place. I think it is due to the wide waistband that does not cut in. A note on that, the waistband is much more narrow than what is shown in their images. I'd say half that. About the size of 2 knuckles on a finger. Whereas there looks like a palm width. I don't know if an even wider waistband would make a difference. But having a wider waistband than the typical super narrow elastic bands definitely keeps this from pressing in, making for muffin tops. I am rather impressed. I knew I was taking a huge risk on buying unknown brand of undies off the internet. The pack of 2, $15.99, $8 each, is same or a little more than what I pay for a known brand, Lane Bryant, but I was super curious. And I see I could get a good price by trying the 10-pack. $45, $4.50 each. We'll see. I have washed and dried these already, and they appear to have washed and dried well. When I first took them from package and tried them on, I thought they might be a little too big. I then took them off and put them in a load of wash, then dried them on medium heat. They looked good, and when I put on a pair, I thought they fit just a little bit better. I don't think they shrink to any significance, but the fresh from dryer fit was really good. Also, just started my period, so maybe I am retaining water, etc. If we could give half ratings, I would go with 4.5. But since we can't, I have to decide between 4 and 5. I am going with 5 because these are surprisingly nice feeling, fitting. I like them more than a 4-star rating. Hopefully the longer term quality is there. I will be back to update if I experience anything else worth sharing. If I try a smaller size, I'll let you know how they fit. I still prefer my undies with a little more compression, but these are overall what I expected, and better. I bought this underwear because I needed something high-waisted after my C-section, and these are perfect. They come up about to my belly button, but they aren't too tight. The fabric is soft and comfortable, so it didn't irritate my incision. I still wear them at 3 months post, and I haven't had any issues with them rolling. The seams are sewn well and you don't really feel them, but you can see panty lines through leggings or yoga pants. This is a great value, getting 5 for the price. Whether you need these for postpartum or just because you prefer high-waisted underwear, I definitely recommend. From my wife, if you're looking for comfortable, stylish, and supportive women's underwear, look no further than the cotton underwear no muffin top full briefs. These panties are everything you could want in a pair of underwear. They're soft, stretchy, and breathable, and they offer excellent tummy support to help you look and feel your best. One of the first things that caught my attention about these panties is their wide range of colors. With so many options to choose from, it's easy to find a pair that perfectly matches your personal style. The colors are bright and vibrant, and they don't fade or bleed in the wash, which is a huge plus. But these panties aren't just pretty to look at, they're also incredibly comfortable to wear. The cotton material is soft and gentle against your skin, and it's stretchy enough to move with your body without feeling restrictive. And best of all, the full brief style provides excellent tummy support, which is especially helpful for those of us who struggle with muffin tops or other unwanted bulges. Overall, I'm extremely impressed with the cotton underwear no muffin top full briefs. They're stylish, comfortable, and supportive, and they're available in a wide range of colors to suit any taste. If you're looking for high-quality women's underwear that offers both style and function, these panties are definitely worth checking out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.